Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to update your Picsart profile picture to something new. First of all, launch the Picsart app open on your device and log in with your account credential. Once you're inside the home page, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After opening up your profile section, click the pencil button at the top left to make edits on your personal settings. After you're inside this page, if you want to change your profile picture, go to the top and tap on the camera icon underneath your current profile picture. Now select Choose from the pop-up at the bottom, and this will take you to this page where you can select the pictures from the pre-existing images. If you want to use your own photo, then tap on Proceed or give access to more photos on your device, and then select the picture you want to change to. After choosing one, click on Done at the top right, and then pinch or resize or drag to move your image within the frame, and finally click on Apply. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a profile picture on your Picsart account. You can refresh your online identity and make your profile stand out after choosing a picture that represents your creative style. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.